Olá pessoal, tudo bem? Eu sou a Miki e hoje estou aqui para trazer mais um vídeo para vocês de Genshin Impact. E no vídeo de hoje é um tutorial de como passar os domínios da Amber, do Kaeya e da Lisa. E nesses domínios vocês vão conseguir o Kaeya e a Lisa, que são dois personagens que vocês conseguem no início do jogo. Esse é um tutorial para quem está iniciando o jogo por aí, porque eu digo por experiência própria que no começo tive muita dificuldade. Então eu espero que vocês gostem. Não se esqueçam de se inscrever e deixar o seu joinha. Fiquem com o vídeo.
Leave it to me. You can use that console to open the door. Wow, I can see so far into the temple. Prepared my secret weapon, explosive puppet Berry Bunny. Windblade. Are those explosive barrels over there? Well, one shot should be able to blow them up. Bunny. Prepare to be blown away. It's so high. Seems like there's something up there. But how do we get across? Isn't this a pyro monument? If we hit it with a powerful pyro attack, we might trigger it. Dragon's breath! Is that where the power's coming from?
Let me show you how the Knights of If I'm not mistaken, the end of the temple should be up there.
Wait, how do you know?
Experience. The kind of experience you get after years of dealing with things like this for others. Freeze! Cool it! Traveler, unless I'm mistaken, you don't seem to have a vision. So how exactly is it that you're able to channel elemental energy?
It was a very strange occurrence.
Freeze! Cool it!
Hey!
Freeze!
Ah, finally, we're here.
Seems the path ends here. Let's use the wind currents to fly up.
Water! We can use this to put out fire.
Good idea. That's some keen observation. We should get Jean to give you a title and make you a knight. Dodge this! Speaking of, did you know? Storm Terror was once one of the 4 winds. I'm not aware of the exact details. If you're interested, you can ask the acting Grand Master about it.
Is that the thing that Storm Terror is using to gain its power?
See? Kaya, Knight of Favonius. Please allow me to join. What's the hurry?
I knew it! There is a strong elemental energy coming from deep within this temple. Paimon, are you able to... Let's ride this wind current, shall we? Leave it to me. Hit. Hit. It's an electro monument. No wonder. Let me try to activate it with a bit of electro power. Stand back, sweeties. Come a little closer. Blitz. Hup, hit, hit, hop, hit. You're in for a little shock. Come a little closer. When it comes to wet enemies, I've got them covered. Oh, another wind current. Let's ride it up from here. Chain lightning can be set off between electro-charged opponents. The electrical discharge caused by friction is only a little less shocking than love at first sight. Oh, you want to know about this gem? You're kidding. You're seriously asking? This is a vision. It's used by the Chosen to draw on elemental powers. In terms of mysticism, I suppose you could call it a magical lightning rod. What? You've never seen a vision? Just where exactly are you from? Are you a hilly troll with some level of reasonable intelligence? No, I doubt it. After all, hilly trolls aren't exactly known for their smarts. And you'd more or less qualify to be a...
Oh, it's one of those consolid...
Break it, and we can head home and relax.
Let's head back to the statue of the Seven at Windrise and offer it to the gods.
I don't... Don't worry, darling. I'll take very good care of you. So...
Bom, pessoal, esse foi o vídeo. Espero que vocês tenham gostado e que ele tenha ajudado muito vocês. Muito obrigada por assistir até o final e tchau! Até o próximo vídeo.